guys, gals, we are going to fire the bike up with the exhaust system. It actually has Screaming Eagle slip-ons right here. And I put the camera in one spot, I marked it, and I'm going to try to put the camera in the exact same spot when we put the new pipe on, so you get an idea of what it sounds like. Okay, we have been spraying our bolt release here on the header bolts for the heads there. And we'll do it one more time here. And now we'll remove the nuts and go from there. Alright guys and gals, we got it done. It's on. Took about an hour and a half. I'll give you some tips and tricks if you're going to put your exhaust on. Follow the directions. Do not tighten anything up until you have everything where you want it. But I'll give you the toughest parts of the install. But let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. And it's got the baffles in it. They are removable. But let's see. The quality of this exhaust system is off the charts. It's the only 5-step exhaust system. They're not paying me to do this or anything like that. I'm just sharing with you what I studied. And as you know, if you do any of these exhausts, to make sure that you put your shield clamps on before you put them on, and make sure you get them semi screwed together, and you get them so that when you tighten them up, you can still get to the nut. But I pre-fitted everything, and it's an awesome exhaust. Like I said, I can't wait to remove the baffle and see what that sounds like. I want to thank everybody that voted on this video here and helped me out. We had about 50 votes, but I got enough votes to go with this exhaust here. I will tell you this, on the head bolts right here, I had to warm up this back one with a torch for about 10 seconds because it would not break loose, and you do not want to snap one of them off in your head. So, and there's 2 plastic pieces in the frame right there where this bracket mounts, and you're best to just, they cover the threads, you're best to just drill them out with a 1/4-inch drill because you'll never get them out of there. Other than that, I'm thoroughly impressed. It changes the whole look of the bike, and it sounds like a real bike now.